How are we doing today, Jason?
Good.
Good.
How are you?
Good. How's Morningstar? Red Rising.
It's good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Is it as good as that no rice Chipotle bowl?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. What's your favorite part?
Shrimp, probably.
What's it?
The chicken.
I meant of the book.
Oh. I don't want to spoil it for Adam, but have you read this one?
Yeah. I haven't read the fourth one yet. Are you going to read the fourth one?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I guess the fifth one comes out soon.
So if you're like applying for student A, if you're applying for student A and you want to start this year, would it be the 2018-2019 school year or would it be the 2019?
Hiccups.
2019. Would it be that?
Who's your favorite character in Red Rising?
And so like, as long as you get like very higher than like C,
You just kick back. Mm-hmm.
A little backfire there. Backfire.
Mm-hmm.
If you had to pick one, would it be Severo? Darrow?
I think everybody picks Severo.
What's the Obsidian guy's name?
Ragnarok, I think.
I think you're right.
Rhaegar.
Yep, I think he might be my favorite. What were you thinking about in that second before you bit? There's something that flashed through your eyes.
It was Mustang. Or Quinn did that. I was trying to figure out which character was my favorite. I was like, maybe a female character.
It's very
Not
progressive
sexist
of you.
like you.
It's very progressive of you.
Ooh.
Have you ever accidentally bit the top of the fork off? And... No.
What are you doing, Nestor?
I'm trying to sell something.
It's good.
Not gonna eat those last little nibbles?
Not today.
What do we say to the god of death?
Exactly. What do you say?